is how we judge for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download any video to your YouTube apps. But in this case, if you have a premium option, you can do that very easy and very cheap, that premium. So in this case, go inside to your YouTube apps, check the video you want to download. In this case, I choose any random video from Metallica. Big Hamlet is here. Pause this one and you will see if you have premium account, you have many options here. Also download, you see here the middle, very simple. Hit this one. Which type of quality you want, full HD, high quality, medium, low, as you want. I put full HD here, 65 megabyte the video would be. Other quality 1910 or lower. So I want high quality. I hit download here. Is downloading, is done. So I can watch in offline. Now I will close all type of thing here. I close Wi-Fi here, put in plane mode. I don't have more internet. Let's go to YouTube and let's try to open some video. You see, if I hit this one, no. Tap to try, no connection. Here they give me option, go to download. I hit this one. In download I have all these video you can see here. So the first one or second one, whatever is downloaded, these are option for download. I don't have. I have this video. I hit this one. It's playing. So amazing. You can use this picture when you are in plane. You are traveling, you don't have internet, you can't watch your YouTube videos, favorite or anything you want. So you can use this picture. Very simple, guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.